Woohoo! See what this is today, folks.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bennington County and southern Vermont, northern Berkshire County and western Massachusetts, Rensselaer County and east central New York until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 2 Sigfoss to 6 miles south of 2 Sigfoss to Steventown, Nassau, or along a line extending from 2 Sigfoss to 6 miles south of 2 Sigfoss to 10 miles west of North Adams to 11 miles northwest of Pittsfield to Nassau, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Steventown by 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Pownell by 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Shasberry by 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Williamstown and Bennington by 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Hancock by 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Pittsfield by 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please report hail size, damaging winds and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US nationalweatherservice.albany.gov. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m.